Hey, this is Miles here, and I just wanted to show you that I'm doing something absolutely crazy, and I'm taking my kids too, at least the older ones. So a buddy of mine is taking his boat, and we are taking our skis. There's a friend's ski. There's my ski. There's Kylie.
Hi.
There's Oakley on his ski. And we're here in Miami and we're doing the crossing. We're going to the Bahamas right now. I've been planning this trip for a year. Anyway, are we crazy? Probably. Yeah, we're pretty crazy. All right, here we are, all over the crazy inlet outlet. This is where we're leaving from, North Miami. Straight out there to the Bahamas.
Get lost with me tonight. Cruise slow motion, chase the sun as we burn one down. Get lost with me tonight. We go high as a mother. Nothing's gonna stop us now. No, 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 no. Ain't nothing gonna stop us now. No, 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 no. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. Just in case you forgot, Mr. Worldwide, the world's my block. I'm like time, I never stop. I'm from the bottom, y'all keep the top. See nobody, fear no one. Still the hottest thing under the sun. Still got it locked. And it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna stop. You can knock me down, but you won't knock me out. I love it when they count me out. Now let's party to the nights that we can't remember, with the friends that we can't forget. Get lit. Get lost with me tonight. Cruise slow motion, chase the sun as we burn one down. Get lost with me tonight. High as a mother. Nothing's gonna stop us now. No, 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 no. Ain't nothing gonna stop us now. No, 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 no. Ain't nothing gonna stop us. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years, hustling blood, sweat, tears. I say what they want, I do what they don't. I am what they ain't. I go hard like Shaq in the paint. I'm a fighter, survivor, rider. NASCAR teams Orlando. Track house bringing that fire. Zach Brown and Pitt, fire. Get lost with me tonight. Cruise slow motion, chase the sun as we burn one down. Get lost with me tonight. High as a mother.
Oh my God, we did it. We made it to Bimini on the jet skis, Bahamas. And we're at the Hilton, and right there is the pool that I'm gonna go into right now. And then we're gonna go out and we're gonna go to a sunken ship, and we're gonna go to a beach. And there's so much we're doing today, so stay tuned. All right guys, here's our pool for the next couple of days. Look at this. There's nothing like the water in the Bahamas. And there's our pool, and there's our jet skis. All right, we're just about to go out there and we noticed a water spout. Holy cow. Oh man. Let's go explore. Okay, we're at the Sapona, and here's a boat that's just leaving. And here's a boat that is never leaving. That's called the Sapona.
Creative.
And we're going to snorkel down there, and we're gonna jump off of there.
Whoa. Cali Roo, J Vibe, to the F1J1, Lord of mercy, you better know. You can lean on me whenever you need a friend, there when you're in need. Stormy trend, and I know that he can do the same for you. Don't let go into thine own self, be true. You can lean on me whenever you need a friend, there when you're in need. Stormy weather and bright sunny days, don't you ever worry, Jah will protect us, never let us fall. The sun will rise again for us to face another day. We cannot pretend that we can't see what he has placed in our lives. We must take responsibility.
It's on.
Alright, let me borrow like 5 or 6 of them. Alright, let me go find a shark. I'll try to get you. Try not to waste the whole thing though.
Come here, little sea puppy. Love me. I miss my dog now. Oh, they feel kind of like soft, like furry soft.
Like felt.
Yeah. Oh, there you go. Perfect. About to make our own little Thunderdome over here, people. Guy found a conch and turned it over and started sucking to get the food out. This conch right here, I'm gonna grab it. Oh my God, I just pulled this out of the water. There's nothing in it.
And he sucked on it?
Yeah, he sucked on it to see if anything would come out. This thing's coming home with us. Our breakfast. Yeah, lobby, and goodbye yacht. Hey Portia, so tell me, where are we?
We are in the beautiful Parlay Beach in Bimini, and we pulled up to the cabanas to sunbathe and swim with the stingrays and nurse sharks and stuff like that.
Look at this.
We're living it up.
That's right. And we're about to go snorkeling here. But we need to go back and get the snorkel gear. But anyway, there is Virgin cruise line right there. So we're walking to get conch salad again because it's so absolutely epic, delicious. It's amazing. So hopefully this time I'll be able to show you a little bit more video than I did last time because my phone died. But let's go get some conch.
Sea grapes.
Just waiting on our conch salad. Hanging out here, look at that. Beautiful day in the water. It's a little overcast though. But I get to hang out here at Smitty's. And there's our boy over there. He's making our conch salad right now. And just hung out with my favorite bartender, and grabbed myself a quick cold one. It was very nice. So Portia, what are you getting?
I'm getting a tropical conch salad.
Tropical
from
conch salad.
A local place.
With our man here. Hey man, he makes the best conch salads here. This is famous.
Look at all
It
these
looks good
tomatoes.
over here.
Mm.
Wow. This is where it's at. Check out Portia Reese ready to go snorkeling right now. And there's Oakley and Kylie. And here we are on the skis. And there's Julio. And we're barbecuing right now. We're about to have lunch, burgers. What's up? Going to breakfast for our last breakfast on this trip. Okay, we already broke an elevator. Let's see what the morning looks like out here. Beautiful morning. We are picking up some passengers. Alessandra, Harris, and Ray. And we're taking them back to Miami with us. There's Ian. There's my ski. Here's the hotel. this is our last sandbar on this trip. And here we are, hanging out here. That's the channel here in I don't know, there's no downtown Bimini, is there? This is just the channel. This is where you go. North Island, South Island, Ian Island, and of course Oakley and Kylie are over there. Back. Oh my God. Wow. So, got to tell a story about coming back. I'll catch up with you in a little bit. I wanted to recap the trip. So, when we arrived back, halfway through going from Bimini to Miami, the water started to get more and more rough, and it was kind of interesting because it was very smooth, almost glassy all the way about halfway over. And then we noticed that when we could see the Miami skyline, we could see this big cloud, this big angry cloud right above Hullover Marine Inlet, which is where we were going to be. So we were cruising as we got closer and closer to Miami. It got rougher and rougher. And when we got about 2 miles out from Hullover and the coastline there, it went to about 3 to 4 feet. So we were like, you know, up and down and you know, with the skis, and it was beating the crap out of us. And so we got into a single file line and behind Julio and the boat, so that we could just kind of use his wake and use the boat to kind of be a little bit more calmer. But you know, as we pulled into Hullover, there were other boats that were trying to get in, and we just shot right through and made it in, and it was crazy. It was just one of those things like, wow. So anyway, it took me a minute to want to come back and tell the story of that. But you know, the question is, can you jet ski to the Bahamas from Florida? The answer is yes. You saw the video. You know, can you do it with a group of skis? Yes, you can. You definitely need a few things to take with you. You need extra gas, 5 gallons of gas, because Bimini does run out of gas often. They ran out of gas when we were there, but then all of a sudden the tanker showed up and filled everybody up, so it wasn't really a problem, but we had extra gas just in case. So that's one thing. But I do recommend you have a boat. You got a buddy boat, and that boat is, if your ski breaks down, they can tow you either to Bimini or to Florida, because that's it. If your ski breaks down, you've got nowhere to go. So it was invaluable having Julio there and his expertise. He's been running Bimini trips back and forth with people, and he's a good guy. He's, you know, totally cool guy. Consider him a friend at this point. I look forward to doing more trips with him. And there's others in the Bahamas Challenge group and all of that on Facebook groups. You can find these groups are constantly going back and forth from the you know, Miami or Florida to the Bahamas. And next year we are planning a much bigger trip, a 2-week trip. We're going to go to Exumas and, you know, all over the Bahamas. So this was like, one, could I actually do this trip? And two, would I want to do it again? Yes, I do want to do it again. And would I want to do a longer trip? Well, I'm kind of crazy that way. So yes, I do. I had a great time. I know my kids had a great time. It was a great family trip. And, you know, I can actually say that I jet skied to the Bahamas. So I'd like to thank everybody who helped us. There was, you know, Bimini Crossing, the crossing groups, Julio, Bahamas Challenge, and all of those guys. Obviously, Binford Mortgage. That's my mortgage company. I'm a mortgage broker in Florida. I supported, you know, I paid for this trip from that so we can promote Binford Mortgage a little bit, but honestly, it was a fun trip for everybody. And it just shows that if you live in Florida, what's possible. You got Disney, you got the Florida Keys, you got the Bahamas that are close, you can jet ski to them and all of that. So if you're looking for a mortgage, give me a call. I'm happy to help. Otherwise, I hope you really enjoyed this video, this trip of ours. And if you want to go on another trip, hey, you know, message in the comments below. I'm happy to have a bigger group go next time and to connect you up with the other people that are doing the crossing all the time. All right, I'll see you out there on the water.